breath in life. Each note a wonder. Each sounds a work of art. Nature's symphony forever in our hearts. In the quiet dawn's embrace, nature whispers song of grace. Trees sway with a gentle hum as morning light begins to come. Birds sing melodies so sweet. Their tones make heart skip a beat. Rivers flow with rhythmic ease, carrying whisper of ancient trees. Mountains stand tall and grand, guardians of this peaceful land. In nature's embrace, I find released a shooting balm that brings me peace. In the term Symphony of Nature refers to the harmonious combination of nature sounds and elements found in the environment. It presents the idea that nature itself can create a beautiful and balanced composition. In this context, symphony can be understood as a musical piece composed of different instruments playing together in harmony. Similarly, the symphony of nature, such as birdsong, wind rustling, through leaves, waves crashing on the shore, and rain falling, come together to create a melodies and captivating experiences that remind us of the incredible richness and complexity of the natural world and encourage us to appreciate and preserve it. My aim is to leave an impactful legacy with my nature, photography, and quotes. I hope that my work not only captures the beauty of the natural world, but also resonates with you, inspiring a deeper appreciation and connection with nature.